सो हेलो नमस्कार टू द ऑल केमिस्ट्री लवर्स। मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका स्वागत करता हूं केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल में रिगार्डिंग टू जस्ट केमिस्ट्री। इन प्रीवियस वीडियो वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट द वर्नर्स थ्योरी एंड टुडे वी विल गो विद द जस्ट लिमिटेशंस ऑफ द वर्नर्स थ्योरी एंड जस्ट V.B.T also. So if we'll go with the just Warner's theory's limitation, then these are as follows. Following. First is this theory. This theory is helpful to explain complex compound of some of the metals, मीन्स पर्टिकुलर कुछ एक कंपाउंड्स का ही, कुछ एक मेटल के कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड का ही यूज किया, जैसा कि हमने डिस्कस किया। जस्ट प्लैटिनम और कोबाल्ट क्लोराइड के अमोनिया के साथ रिएक्शन करवा करके उन्होंने कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड का फॉर्मेशन किया। सेकंड, दिस थ्योरी doesn't give any idea about coordination polyhedron, or you can say just geometry of molecule. Specific idea नहीं था, geometry of compound, no idea regarding to just your geometry. And third is this theory doesn't explain magnetic and just magnetic and color in complex compound. मीन्स पर्टिकुलर कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड में उसकी कलर को भी और मैग्नेटिक कैरेक्टर को भी, मीन्स दैट विल बी पैरामैग्नेटिक और डायमैग्नेटिक, ये बात भी एक्सप्लेन नहीं करता। इसी कारण से पर्टिकुलर इन 3 लिमिटेशंस के कारण से थ्योरी कंप्लीटली फेल हो गई। नाउ विल गो विद द नेक्स्ट थ्योरी, दैट इज योर V.B.T. व्हाट इज दैट? शेयर दिस स्लाइड। Now the time to discuss about the second theory. What is that? That is your valence bond theory, V.B.T. So what is that? We will discuss. This is the second theory after Werner theory, that is valence bond theory, or you can call it V.B.T. It was proposed by Linus Pauling. Linus Pauling. Discoverer of the just V.B.T. There are following postulates. We'll go with the just each and every statement with the example also. So be with me properly. First is your central metal atom. Changes in cation by the loss of electron according to ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट कि पर्टिकुलर कंपाउंड में मेटल एटम का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट क्या है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो मेटल एटम इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करके कैटायन का फॉर्मेशन कर देता है. सेकंड पोस्टुलेट, आफ्टर इट अवेलेबल्स vacant d orbitals for ligands according to, just you can say, coordination number, according to coordination number means उस मेटल एटम का कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर क्या है उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो वैकेंट डी ऑर्बिटल अवेलेबल करा देगा ट्रांजिट मेटल एटम. None another thing. This will according to as follows. Suppose if coordination number is your 2, then hybridization will be your sp, geometry will your linear with a bond angle of 180 degree, and as an example we can take Az and S3 whole 2, this is the plus. If coordination number is 3, then hybridization will be your sp2. This will be trigonal planar with a bond angle of 120 degree, and as an example we can take Hg I3 minus. Now regarding to coordination number further, if coordination number is your 4, then there may sp3 hybridization, geometry will be tetrahedral, bond angle will be 109 degree 28 minutes, and as an example we can take NiCOs whole 4, tetracarbonyl nickel 0. If there is coordination number 4 again, then it will dsp2 hybridization with the geometry square planar. This is the square planar of the bond angle, just you can say 90 degree. 90 degree as the bond angle will be 90 degree, and as an example we can take NiCN whole 4 2 minus. Now regarding to this coordination number 5, it will be dsp3 hybridization, just trigonal bipyramidal with a bond angle of just 90 degree and 120 degree. For this as an example we can take FeCOs whole 5 pentacarbonyl iron 0, and for the coordination number 6, hybridization may as a sp3d2 or d2sp3, then geometry will be octahedral with the bond angle of 90 degree, and as an example we can take FeCN whole 6 4 minus and F6 4 minus. This was regarding to just second postulate. First postulate कि मेटल एटम अपने ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट के अलोंग अकॉर्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करके कैटायन बनाएगा. आफ्टर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ जस्ट कैटायन ये वैकेंट ऑर्बिटल अवेलेबल कराएगा कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर के अलोंग. कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 2 हो तो 2 ऑर्बिटल अवेलेबल, 3 हो तो 3 ऑर्बिटल अवेलेबल कराएगा, 4 हो तो 4, 5, 6 अगर 2 है तो नो डाउट sp हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होगा, 3 के लिए sp2, 4 के लिए sp3, 5 के लिए ds, 4 के लिए अगेन dsp2, 5 के लिए dsp3, 6 के लिए sp3d2 and d2 sp3. This was about the second postulate. Now we'll go with the third postulate of the V.B.T. What is that? Listen me carefully. Third postulate is your in vacant d orbital, in vacant orbitals, ligands donates lone pair of electron and forms ligand to metal atom as कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड, कि वो जो वैकेंट ऑर्बिटल है उन वैकेंट ऑर्बिटल में लिगेंड अपना लॉन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करके कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड का फॉर्मेशन कर लेगा. फोर्थ पोस्टुलेट, इफ देयर इज n-1d ऑर्बिटल, अगर कॉम्प्लेक्स के फॉर्मेशन में d पहले आए देन complex will low spin or inner spin, while for nd orbitals अगर d बाद में पार्टिसिपेट करे sp के बाद में d, then complex will high spin or outer spin complex. This was about the fourth postulate कि अगर d पहले पार्टिसिपेट करे तो इनर स्पिन और d बाद में पार्टिसिपेट करे. कैसे? लाइक जस्ट यू कैन से d2 sp3, तो d पहले आ रहा है तो लो स्पिन हो गया, और sp3 d2 तो d बाद में आ रहा है तो ये हाई स्पिन हो गया. फिफ्थ, if there is any unpaired electron in complex compound, then it will paramagnetic सब्सटेंस, कि अगर आपके पास में कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड में कोई भी अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट है मेटल एटम में, तो वो पैरामैग्नेटिक होगा, मींस एक्सटर्नल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होगा. एंड फॉर पेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन इट विल बी डायामैग्नेटिक, मीन्स अगर आपने एक्सटर्नल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लगाया तो पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन एक दूसरे के रोटेशन को, स्पिनिंग को कैंसिल कर देते हैं, तो ये सब्सटेंस उस एक्सटर्नल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को रिपेल करेगा. दिस वाज द फिफ्थ पोस्टुलेट. और फिफ्थ पोस्टुलेट के अकॉर्डिंग ही बात करें देन दिस इज द पैरामैग्नेटिज्म कैन बी डिफाइंड on the basis of just magnetic moment जिसको हम डिनोट करते हैं म्यू bm से. bm इज अ बोर मैग्नेटोन फुल फॉर्म. and the formula is root n plus 2, where n is equals to number of unpaired इलेक्ट्रॉन। इस कॉम्प्लेक्स में अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने हैं वो फिल करके n की वैल्यू और उससे हम न्यू bm को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील, विल सी विद द एग्जांपल। Bm is a Bohr magneton. If you will go with the 1 Bm, then it will equal with the Eh upon 4 pi mc according to physics. और ये बोर मैग्नेटॉन क्रिएट क्यों होता है? क्योंकि वो जो अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन टू टाइप का मोशन शो करता है, एक स्पिनिंग और एक ऑर्बिटल मोशन, स्पिन मोशन और एक ऑर्बिटल मोशन। और इन दोनों मोशन के कारण से वो एक टाइनी मैग्नेट की तरह काम करने लग जाता है। दैट्स व्हाई इट बिहेव्स लाइक अ मैग्नेट, सो इट विल बी जस्ट Bohr magneton. So this was about the postulates of the V.B.T. Now we'll go with the examples with the each and every coordination number. Now the time to discuss about the examples of the V.B.T. So first of all we'll go with the coordination number 2. After then we'll go with the coordination number 3. After then we'll go with the coordination number 4, 5, 6, so on. So let's see, because this is too important. If we'll go with the coordination number first as a 2, we'll take the example of Ag and S3 whole 2, this is the plus. The name of complex compound is your diamine, just this is the silver first ion, because he has the neutral ligand as the NS3. That's why we are using silver, otherwise for the negative it will be use of argentum, so that will be as a argentate. First of all calculation of oxidation state, Ag को calculate किया x, NS3 के लिए 0 and this is the plus 1, so x is equals to plus 1, means in this complex Ag changes in Ag plus, Ag plus में change होगा। समझ रहे बात को? Ag के लिए एटॉमिक नंबर पर्टिकुलर, दिस इज द 47, दिस इज योर क्रिप्टॉन 36, दिस इज योर 4d10, दिस इज योर 5s1 एंड दिस इज द 5p0। ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट के अलॉन्ग चेंज करें, देन Ag प्लस विल बी योर Kr, दिस इज योर 4d10, this is your 5s0, 5p0, loss of one electron from the s orbital. Now the condition of orbitals, Ag plus, this is the 4d, that is fully filled orbital, this is the 5s and this is the 5p, 4d, 5s and 5p. In 4d there are 10 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and S and P both are vacant and coordination number is 2, so there should be, because NS3 is the monodentate neutral ligand, that is called as amine. It's a monodentate neutral ligand, so it will donate just one lone pair and require just 2 vacant orbitals. So it will be participation of one of the s orbital, one of the p orbital, so it will sp hybridization. It will sp hybridization. Now for the formation of complex, this is your Ag and S3 whole 2, this is the plus, this is your 4D 10, this is your 4S, and this is the 4P as a 3 PX PY PZ. This is your 4D, this is your, you can say 3S, sorry, this is the 5P, 5S and 5P, 5S and 5P. Now there are 10 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here will be one of the lone pair, here will be one of the lone pair of NS3. And we have discussed for the coordination number 2, hybridization will be as a sp hybridization. And due to sp hybridization, geometry will be linear. This is the AZ, this is the NS3, this is your again NS3, charge is your plus. You can see geometry is linear with a bond angle of 180 degree. So we can say linear geometry with the bond angle of 180 degree. Now the time to discuss about the magnetic behavior. Each and every electron is in pair form. So you can say unpaired electron. Unpaired electron means single electron will be 0 because all are paired. So nature of complex compound will be diamagnetic. Diamagnetic nature होगी. Now the time to discuss magnetic moment. Mu Bm is equals to root n plus 2, where n is equals to unpaired electron are 0, 0 plus 2, this will be 0 Bohr magneton. So this was about the first example regarding to the coordination number 2. Now I would like to go with the second example as a coordination number 3. What is that? Listen me carefully. This is your regarding to coordination number 3. As an example, we can take Hg I3 minus. The name of complex compound is your triiodo mercurate second. Oxidation state of mercury X plus minus 1 whole 3 minus 1 X minus 3 minus 1 X minus 3 plus 1 0 X minus 2 0 X is equals to plus 2. Means in this complex oxidation state of Hg is your plus 3, sorry plus 2. So if you go with the atomic number of Hg, then that is your 80. This will be your xenon 54, 4F14, 5D10, 6S2, 6P0. This is the 54, 14, 68, 78 and 80. Oxidation state is your plus 2. So during formation of Hg plus 2, what will be? It will be xenon. This is the 4F14. This is the 5D10. This is your 6S0 and 6P0. This is the condition. If we'll go with the orbital condition, this is the Hg plus 2 80. This is your 5D, which is fully filled. 5D. This is your 6S. This is your 6P. 6P. Filling of electron, 5D10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Still there are 4 vacant orbital and coordination number is 3. So it will require 3 vacant orbital as a 1 of S and 2 of P as a Px and Py. So hybridization will be sp2 hybridization. Now the formation of complex compound, how it will be? This is the Hg(I3 minus). This is the 5D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6s and this is the 6p orbital as a px, py, pz. 6p. Here is your 6s. This is the 5d regarding to 80. You can say that it will be third transition series because of 3d, 4d before 50 complete रहती है. Now it will be 5d series fully filled. This is the 10 electron because d orbital is fully filled. Now vacant orbital requires 3 and I is your monodentate negatively charged ligand. Monodentate ligand which donates one lone pair of electron in the orbital. So one of the I will be over here like this. We can write it as follows. Another second, another third, I minus. So this is the -1, -1, -1, -3. Here is your +2. Difference will be -1. So this is the -1. Now hybridization is sp2. So the geometry will be your trigonal planar like this, like this. This is the I or the bracket minus chart. Geometry is your trigonal planar. Geometry is your trigonal planar with the bond angle of 120 degree. All will be 120 degree like this. You can write here. Number of unpaired electron. Unpaired electron is 0 because all are paired. And due to pairing, it will be diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic nature will be. Now the time to discuss about the just magnetic moment. Magnetic moment is your mu Bm. This is the root n plus 2. Number of unpaired electron is 0, 0 plus 2. So it will be 0 Bohr magneton. This was regarding to the just V.B.T of the complex compound having coordination number 3. Read the entire matter properly. So dear student, we'll meet in the next video with the coordination number 4, 5, 6 and a lot of example regarding to V.B.T. Be with me, trust in me, definitely it's a team and we'll get the success after a definite time. Thank you, Shukriya.